Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing how you can easily make a custom frame out of wooden pieces and poster board. I'm using these wooden dowels. So these are half round dowels. These are left over from when I did my TV console makeover, the IKEA hack, which is linked below in case you want to check it out. So I had just enough and actually some extra ones to make these two frames. And you can take this pretty much anywhere you want. You can put whatever pictures you want on it. You can put a different background. I'm using a black background. You can customize it to your choosing, and it's just a nice way to decorate your home. And it looks a little high-end, slightly, without an expensive price. So if you want to see what I did, then I hope you stay tuned. So for the frame, you can glue these pieces together like this. Can set it up like this and glue everything like that, or you can do what I'm doing. I'm going to make a 45-degree cut on each of these so that they meet right here, and you could do this with a saw. I'm just going to use my miter saw to cut these down, and I'm just going to mark them so I can easily know where I need to cut. So for these two, I need to go this way. And then for this one, I need to go this way so that they join here. All right, so I'm gonna go make my cuts and then I'll come back and make the frame. Okay, so now that all the cuts have been made, I'm gonna use wood glue and hot glue to attach it to the poster board. And I'm going to use the shiny side of the poster board facing up. I'm going to glue this first dowel to the top of the poster board with hot glue on the back, and then I'm going to attach the dowels together with wood glue. And it's just this here. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess poster board. So basically just add any kind of pictures you would like inside if you want to stop here. I'm going to go slightly further by cutting out a space here, and it's just going to be a cutout space, and then I'm going to add a black poster board to the back of it so that it is like a frame. I don't want to put anything on top of it. I want to put it underneath because I want it to look like this is the border of the picture. But of course you can do whatever you like with this. This is pretty much a standard, you know, a nice standard base to start with. So what I did here was I marked with a ruler 3 inches in from the border all around from each side, and then this is basically the frame where it needs to be cut out. I'm going to use my rotary cutter and this ruler as my guide. Okay, what I'm going to do now with the frames is I'm going to put this black cardstock on the back. I was thinking about getting black poster board, but I didn't have to because I already had this. And it's good because all the items I'm using I actually already had, so that is a great thing. All I'm going to do is tape these cardstock pages over the opening here. And now for the design that I'm going to put in here, I'm going to use some toothpicks. So I have some here. I'm going to make them, it's going to be kind of like trees, but kind of like designs, just designs in their own way. So I cut a couple of them. Some I cut in half, and some I'm going to use whole. Some I cut just the ends off, and I'm just going to create my little designs on each one, and then I'm going to hang them up. So these are really light. So to hang them, all I'm using is these command strips. These are really for posters. I'm just going to use 3 of them, and I think that'll be enough.